Hi guys, my name is Izzy Munoz. I'm a current fourth year senior in the Schreier Honors College. I am majoring in biochemistry and molecular biology with minors in bioethics. And I'm so excited to take you guys all through a day in my life. Hi guys, so I just finished my first class of the day, and before I head over to my second one, I just wanted to answer a question I got about what I enjoy most about my major, and I would say being able to learn and understand life at a molecular level is very fascinating to me, and it really shows how complex life is. I really enjoy how biochemistry and molecular biology intersect with these different disciplines such as biology, chemistry, physics. Really helps broaden one's perspective. And I also really like how we're able to have hands-on learning in lab or in independent research that definitely helps put your knowledge into practice. I think it's really important for everybody to find a way that helps them de-stress from work or their studies. So what I try to do every day, at least once a day, is make sure that I implement something fun in my life that doesn't feel like it's work to me, whether that be going out to lunch or dinner with some friends, calling my mom or my sister, reading a book, or going to an event that one of my orgs that I'm in is hosting, and just making sure I'm present when I'm there and I'm not worrying about anything else really helps me. So to answer this question about honors courses, this is for first year admits. So your first and second year as being a Schreier Scholar, you need a minimum of 21 honors credits completed. So what I did and what I would recommend is taking 2 honors courses each semester. So then that would put you at 24 honors credits by the end of your second year, and that really helps so you're not skimming that minimum of 21 credits. And then your third and fourth year, you need a minimum of 14 honors credits, and then that can then vary a little bit between 1 and 2 honors credits a semester. And it really helps because once you get into these in-major courses, you have the option to honors option, which is so great, and it helps you meet these requirements. I think it's really important for everybody to find a way that helps them de-stress from work or their studies. So what I try to do every day, at least once a day, is make sure that I implement something fun in my life that doesn't feel like it's work to me, whether that be going out to lunch or dinner with some friends, calling my mom or my sister, reading a book, or going to an event that one of my orgs that I'm in is hosting, and just making sure I'm present when I'm there and I'm not worrying about anything else really helps me.
All right, I am Dr. Melanie McReynolds. I am an assistant professor here at Penn State. This is the beginning of my third year. I really love teaching, mentoring, and most importantly, doing science. So being here at Penn State, I really get an opportunity to do that with not only our graduate students, but our amazing undergrads. Our lab focuses on the intersection of NAD metabolism and how it's connected to aging and disease. We are attempting to identify ways we could actually age healthier and avoid disease. Isabella Munoz, or how everyone knows her, Izzy, is absolutely amazing. Izzy was one of the first students to come into my lab, and she actually made one of our biggest discoveries so far.
So I think there's so many awesome opportunities that Schreier's gives their scholars. One of that being the priority registration that we all have. This is a huge deal for all of us. Coming from and being in such a big university as Penn State, it sometimes is hard to get into the classes you want or need. So having that priority registration really helps that you make sure that any classes that you need or want in your schedule, you get them since you schedule ahead of freshmen, sophomores, juniors, or seniors. And on top of that, being able to take honors classes is so awesome. Again, reiterating from before, because you're in these small classroom environments, which really helps you get this one-on-one experience with your professor, and you can actually know all the names of the students in your class. And another cool thing about Schreier is the thesis. We all graduate with our own honors thesis, which is super cool to say that you accomplished. So you don't have to be an undergraduate researcher to complete your honors thesis in that area, but it's very common that a lot of scholars do that just because it allows them to have that more hands-on and practice what they're actually studying. I was able to reach out to different professors and doctors of their research lab and sort of convey that I was interested in learning more about their fields of research and how I was seeking to hopefully do a honors thesis in their research lab. And I definitely think that professors are more willing to talk with you and sort of let you into their research lab because of them knowing that you're a Schreyer scholar, and I think that has definitely helped a lot in that aspect. There are so many favorites, I wish I could name them all, but just to bounce off of some of my answers on what makes Schreyer so unique is also its tight-knit community. Being able to be part of such an amazing community such as Schreyer, especially in such a big university, it really helps you feel more welcome and more at home. And I'm also so grateful to have grown from my first year to my fourth year with my fellow scholars. It's been such an awesome experience, and being in the same academic mindset as fellow scholars really helps push one another to be motivated and driven. Go.
Hi everybody, my name's Kendall. I'm also a Paterno Fellow in the Schreyer's Honors College. I'm a junior and I'm studying international politics. I am also the president of Alpha Phi, and my number one tip to balance kind of everything on my plate is to-do lists. I live on them, I breathe them, I do them for absolutely everything, whether it's for sorority stuff, school stuff, or both. Live by them.